In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious corn soup recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 bag of frozen corn, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 onion diced, half a cup of bacon, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1½ cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 garlic cloves shredded, half a jalapeno pepper, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. In a pot over heat, add the butter and melt. Add in the onions and sauté them. Add in the jalapeno peppers. Add the garlic and continue to sauté. Season with the salt, pepper, chili powder, and the cumin. Add in the flour and mix until the flour is completely dissolved. Add in the chicken bouillon. Add 6 cups of water. Bring to a boil and add in the frozen corn. Cook the corn completely and then add the milk. Our corn soup is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.